Hi guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. Today we are making chicken pizza pockets. These are very easy chicken snacks made with bread and a handful of ingredients. They are very easy to make. Before we get into today's video, please subscribe to my channel if you like this video and do share this video. It helps to grow our channel. To make the pizza pockets, place a curry pan on medium flame and add 2 tablespoons of oil to it. Heat the oil for a minute. Here I have boneless and skinless chicken 100 grams that I have cut into very small pieces. I have washed the chicken thoroughly with some salt and water. Now add the chicken to the pan. Add in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and saute the chicken for 2 to 3 minutes. Keep the flame on medium at this point. As the chicken pieces are very small, they will take not more than 2 to 3 minutes to get completely cooked. After frying the chicken pieces on medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes, add in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Give this a good mix. You can use any other spices that you like. Now add in 1 tablespoon of finely chopped onions, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped capsicum, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped tomatoes. Again, you can add any other vegetables of your choice. Saute the veggies along with the chicken for 1 minute. Do not overcook the veggies. There should be a little crunch left in the veggies after you have cooked it. Cover this with a lid and let it simmer for 1 minute. After a minute, remove the lid. You can see at this point the veggies are half cooked. That is what we are looking for. Remove this from flame and keep this aside to cool a little. While the stuffing cools down, let's prepare our bread slices. Here I have cut off the sides of the bread slices. Prepare all the bread slices that you are using in the same way. Now gently flatten these bread slices using a rolling pin. This is to hold the shape of the bread pockets. Prepare all the bread slices in the same way. Gently flatten them using a rolling pin and keep them aside. Here I have prepared all the bread slices. Now let's check on our stuffing. The stuffing has cooled down a little by now, and now I am adding 2 tablespoons of freshly boiled corn, 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce. You can use pizza sauce if you like, 2 teaspoons of oregano, half cup of mozzarella cheese or any other cheese that you like. Again, adjust all the spices as per your taste. After adding in all of the cheese, give this a good mix. Our stuffing is ready now. Let's prepare our bread pizza pockets. To make chicken bread pizza pockets, take a slice of flattened bread on a board and place 2 spoonfuls of stuffing in the center of the bread slice, or use as much as stuffing as you want, but place the stuffing only at the center of the bread slice, otherwise the bread pizza pocket will not be able to hold its shape. After you are done placing the stuffing, slightly dampen the sides of the bread slice. Now take another bread slice and place this over the first one. Gently press the sides together to seal the bread pockets. Don't worry if you are not able to close the bread pocket completely. Just use a fork to pinch them together. Our bread pizza pocket is ready to be toasted now. You can toast the bread pizza pocket as it is or place a slice of cheese on the top of the bread pizza pocket and toast it as well. Now let's toast the bread pizza pocket. To toast the bread pizza pocket, here I have taken 1 teaspoon of butter over a pan. Place the bread pizza pocket over the tawa on medium flame and toast it for 2 minutes. Keep the flame medium at this point. If you don't want to use butter, you can even use oil to toast the bread pizza pocket. After 2 minutes, gently flip the pizza pocket and toast it from the other side as well. Keep the flame on medium and let it toast for 2 minutes. That is it. Very tasty and simple bread pizza pocket is ready to be served. Sprinkle some oregano on top of these bread pizza pockets and serve with some ketchup and enjoy. Do try this fun recipe at home and let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.